Good afternoon, Marines. I'm Gunnery Sergeant Duarte, and today we'll be showing you a supplemental video on how to conduct preventive maintenance checks and services, troubleshooting, operating the aerotronic burner. The first thing you need to do is begin by gathering all the materials and equipment that you need to do this training. The first thing you need is an aerotronic burner. The next thing you need is fuel absorbent material. You also need one power test cord, one test fuel line, and a control box. When gathering the control box, there are 3 different models. Per the appropriate TM, work package 13, you would use a test box. This is the older control box, and we will be using a combination of those two, which is the integrated intelligent control box made by Babington. In addition to the items I talked about, you will also need one metal dustpan, of course a folding table. We didn't have that here, so we used a regular stainless steel table. A fuel can with diesel fuel or equivalent, and a serviceable adapter that comes in the tray ration heating system, and a serviceable fire extinguisher, a safety fuel mat to catch any additional fuel, and an electrical test cord. In the next segment, I'll show you how to connect everything and discuss about the basic components and procedures of the aerotronic burner, so please stay tuned.